Hey lovers! Hey y'all. I know the kid been a little MIA for us. Uh-oh. Oh, hell no. Oop, skirt, skirt. Y'all been in the cut. I mean, I haven't been in the cut. I have not been vlogging as much as I've wanted to. And I'm sorry. But I hope you guys are enjoying our Vlogmas. Y'all, I made it to day 6. That's farther than I made it last year. So I am so proud of myself, okay? And this is Vlogmas day 7, so this will be up later on today. I'm so proud of myself, and I'm still managing to do all the other stuff, take clients, finish. I'm still in the process of making my acrylic. Y'all, that is a task and a half, okay? I didn't know. I mean, I know you got anything that you want in life, you got to work hard for, and I don't mind working hard, but I just didn't know. Yeah, so I just came from Walmart. Y'all, so I got a sister, Kelly. She's just such a... This is a strainer. This is a sifter. I'm about to take that back. Because I got a strainer and not a sifter. Fuck. Oh, that means I'm about to stop at this Walmart up here. Yeah, there's 2 Walmarts on the same street. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just doing a few errands today. That's pretty much it. Lady, pay attention to what you're doing. So you risk your life out here in these streets. And then I had to go get me a new cup thingy. I got to have the clearance section because I don't even think they sell those separately. But they only sell the Ninja one separately, and I don't have a Ninja. So, but yeah, so I didn't really vlog much yesterday. I did do a little something. It was just me cleaning up my house because I didn't do it on Sunday like I wanted to because we had so much stuff going on, and we just want a lot of errands and stuff. So I didn't get to do that, but I did it yesterday. Yesterday was a really rough day for me. Like, I don't know if y'all know, if I told y'all, but I suffer from depression. And it's a lot for me to tell y'all, but I do. I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. And some days I have good days and some days I have bad days, you know. And yesterday wasn't a good day. So I didn't really want to be on the camera. And when I have those days, they don't come as often as they used to, you know. But when I do have days like that, it's like my world shuts down. And it's so crazy. I know people that know me be like, what? Like, when there's people that know me that don't even know this. So I told you guys. So now I told the world. But I don't really show weakness, really. And I really cover it up as best I can, you know what I'm saying? But, like, over the course of time, it gets worse. And now I'm in therapy. And they give me medication. I'm not really a medication type of chick. But I have been trying to take medicine. I'm just not. My life is too all over the place for me to remember to take some pills. But, yeah. But yeah, if you are suffering with depression, tell somebody, talk to somebody. It really, really helps. I've always been that person that be like, no, I'm keeping my business to myself. I'm not an open person. Like, what am I telling you my business for? Like, I just don't think that you can help me. Like, you know what I'm saying? You don't know me. So, it's like you don't know what's wrong with me. But it actually does help me. Like, just getting it off of my chest and letting some stuff go really helps in that aspect. So, I really do. I am now a strong believer in therapy, and I really enjoy going to therapy. Like, my skin looks amazing. But, yeah, so now I'm getting past that, getting through that, and it really has been really helping me. I'm really glad that I decided to, you know, suck up my pride and go and do it. And I'm glad that, you know, people around me support me and all that good stuff. So, yeah, I've been doing that. Why is it so dark down here? Like, it do not have to be this dark in this garage. Like, seriously, for real, though. Like, what in the fuck is all these people in here for? This is excessive. This is really a bit much. I can't even see. How can these people see the park? Am I tripping? Y'all, I cannot see down here. Is it because my lights is off? Come on, sir. Today, baby boy. Uh-oh, sorry. I done turned the lights right on the hood. But I can't see shit. Okay, so we can't go that way. So we gotta go back this way. Uh-oh. Oh, Lord. Well, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna squeeze right on through here. Cause I'm not sure which way we're supposed to go. Can't go that way. This is built for 2 people and she just took up the whole shit. I'm gonna park my ass right here. Uh-oh. Let me let this little car go. Where you going? Okay. Go right there. All right, I'm gonna go right here. That now I have help. And it's actually been helping. But yesterday I had a little, that was my down day. I just didn't feel like doing anything and I was just like, blah. I mean, I still have to do, you know, my usual mom shit, but I had to step back from the camera for a second because it was stressing me out. But honestly, I feel like the real reason I have depression is because my mind thinks, y'all, I don't know if y'all know, I'm a Pisces, and my mind literally like just goes a million miles a minute. Anything in life that I do, I overthink it and overthink it and overthink it to the point where my mind is about to like explode and all those thoughts just sit in my head. And I ask myself why, and why is this, and why is that, and why is this happening to me, and what is this supposed to be teaching me, and what am I supposed to be learning from it? Like, it's so much so that it's just like, I'm like, okay. And then I'm a really closed person, so I'm like, y'all, I do not share none of my business with nobody. This is the first big thing in my life that I've expressed to anybody, honestly. I mean, of course Kelly knows, but other than her, I'm not an open book. Like, you can't, I'm not. So, but yeah, I'm taking little baby steps and expressing myself a lot more and being open with people. And it really helps me just release, you know, some of the things that I have on my mind, some of the things that I had in my heart, so on and so forth. So it's really been helping. And if you do suffer with depression, I think you really should go get some type of help, assistance, whatever it is that you can do to prevent it, you know what I'm saying? Or to minimize the depression you're going through, because it can get really serious. And it is really serious. A lot of people be like, man, whatever. And there's still people to this day that be like, man, that shit ain't real. Especially in our culture. And it is real. And it can get really, really dangerous if you let it. I'm a mom, so I can't let it get to that point. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just could never imagine life with my kids not having me here off of something that I could have fixed. So, yeah. So, yeah, I feel so much better that I shared that with y'all. That was a big step. That was a big step for me, okay? But yeah, so I'm about to run this Walmart real quick, exchange this shit because I think I got the wrong shit. And yeah, figure that out real quick. Because I think I got the wrong stuff. So, take y'all with me. I hope y'all can hear me all this time I was talking. So yeah, y'all. I left my tripod in the house like a dummy, so y'all won't be able to walk through the store with me, because me holding my phone, I be afraid I'm gonna drop it, y'all, and I already dropped the phone before, and that just can't happen twice. I've been doing really good with this phone. There's no cracks, scratches, or nothing. I got cases, screen protectors, all the whole shebang. So if I drop this one, y'all, I'm gonna cry. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys when I leave out of the Walmart, because oh man, it's a whole situation. Can I walk around this thing? That thing looks dangerous. A whole pipe and fell. Jesus. Yeah, so yeah, y'all. I'm in the Walmart now, so I'm gonna go here, get what I need, and come right on back out. So, yep, gotta go. So, I'm back in the car. So many old people out. Oh my God. Oh my. First of all, the light is red, y'all. The light is red. So y'all, I'm back in the car. I got my sifter. I got y'all, child. Y'all, this is a sifter. I hope this is what Kelly was talking about, because it does not matter attitude. And I hope this can fit over a bowl, because that's what I need it for. And I went ahead and bought these like little strainer things too, because I don't know which one works better. I didn't realize that a sifter and a strainer were 2 different things. See, this is I don't cook, bake, none of that shit. And it was only one back there, so I was like, okay. But then I get to the front, they show almost some damn $10. $10? Oh, baby girl, back then they say $297. So we're gonna go ahead and put this down for $297, or you can put that back because I'm gonna make these strainers work. I'm using this to make some acrylic. So if there's a cheaper one back there, by all means, let me know, because this is all this is gonna do is get messed up. I'm not even doing no cooking or baking or none of that. But yeah, sorry, Kelly called me. But yeah, so I ended up getting both of them, and then this girl in there, she was so cute. Yeah, I love when people like ask me about what I do, you know what I'm saying, professionally. And of course, I know I do nails, hair, makeup, all that good stuff. I just love when people ask me questions about it. I wish I could sit and talk to people all day. I really would talk to people all day about what I do and how I do it. And I think I should do classes. Me and Kelly did a video yesterday about the whole Cardi B thing, right? But I don't think I'm going to post it. I think I'm going to redo it because then we got more facts. And I feel like we got a little too deep for some people, you know what I'm saying? Because we was talking about Cardi B and Offset and how I feel like all of it was fraudulent from the jump. Okay, so you got rocks and shit falling out of your car onto mine. Yeah. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to do another video and bring it down a little bit. But it's like, do you give somebody your honest opinion, or do you just kind of censor it a little bit because of others' feelings? Me, I never think about other people's feelings. I don't. I just, if you ask me something, or if I feel like I want to give my opinion on something, an opinion is something for you to either take or not take. It's my opinion. So I don't ever censor that because it's mine. But I feel like with YouTube, you have to be a little bit more reserved and restricted because of, you know, the people that watch. And you don't want that to come back and affect you later down the line. Like I saw today on Instagram that Kevin Hart was supposed to be going to be the host for the Oscars, but they found some tweets from like years ago about him gay bashing. I'm gay, okay, but I know a black male who is not gay don't want to do no gay shit. That bothers them. So why people take it so personally stresses me out. Because I feel like you take someone saying they don't like gays, so on and so forth, more personally than you take somebody saying, oh, I don't like black people, or I don't like Latino people, or I don't like this race. Nobody fights for that, really. You know what I'm saying? We just started really fighting. I mean, I know there's people that have been fighting, but it has really become like a big topic within the last few years. And we done missed the light. And I just felt like that was just really petty. So it made me like kind of think, and it opened my eyes a little bit to something like, I like Kevin Hart personally. I know he's done a lot of dumb shit, but I like him. And for him to say, like, him and his friends just playing like, man, you gay, that's gay shit. They're not using it in the aspect of, oh, I don't like faggies, or I don't like dykes. He didn't use those two words. Those are harsh words in the gay community, just so y'all know. Like, but it wasn't like he said that. He just was like, you know what I'm saying? I don't really think he was considered, that should be considered gay bashing. It's just how he feels. He don't want to be gay. Just like somebody gay don't want to be straight. Like, I don't think that should cause him not to do the award show. Like, it's like everything, the world is so sensitive when they want to be. The world is sensitive on certain things, and then they're insensitive when it comes to race, or when it comes to rights, or when it comes to being making people or everyone being equal, or police brutality. It's just, the world is just so corrupt that it literally drives me crazy. And I really don't think, I mean, I should have hope, you know what I'm saying, seeing that my kids are young, and I hope that, but I do have hope, but it's just like, can it really be fixed at this point? We have it is so many people with the mindset of hate and division and no sense of equality, that it's like, where can our world really go? Like, where we will have to go and change each person, and that's impossible. Okay, it really is, because there's so many groups of people who are for, you know what I'm saying, who are against others, and who are raised like that, and they're raising more and more generations. Lady, you could have just went. But they're raising more and more generations like that. That it's going to be a continuous cycle. There's always going to be someone that is just not for it. You know what I'm saying? So I think what I'm going to do is we're going to redo the video and then we'll post it at a later date. If we even post it, we might just let this one brush under the rug a little bit because it really wasn't as big of a topic as I thought it was going to be. Like, I thought it was going to be like all over everything, and it really hasn't been. So, like, the topic that I've been seeing all over YouTube is the whole Queen and Clarence thing, and I'm not really sure how that's going. I gotta watch that video. I hope they didn't take it down. So yeah, I'm about to head in the house, get the sifting. It's a sifter. Get the sifting this acrylic, and I'll probably do my mom's nails because her nails really need to be done, and I was supposed to do them over a week ago, and I know she like, oh, so she ain't gonna do the nails now? And it's not that at all. But I'm about to go in here and do that real quick. I'm gonna do her nails first, and then I'm gonna do my acrylic after. Because her nails will need to be done. I tried that. I tried it. So I'm gonna give her a real cute design and all that extra stuff to make up for the time she had to wait. Because she is faithful. She get her nails done every 2 weeks, okay? Don't skip a beat. On the day, at the same time, okay? So, let me get in here and do her nails real quick. And yeah, I'm gonna record that, of course. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys later on. Gotta go. Bye. Hey y'all. So I've done a terrible job at recording today. I hope I don't get copyright for this. But right now I just finished cleaning up the kitchen. Look at my kitchen. Looks so much better. Well, you can't really tell right now, but it's clean. But yeah, so I'm in the process of cleaning up my living room now. First I get Kelly a shirt because she likes to walk around the house without one. But she has on she wears sports bras, y'all. Don't panic. But yeah, so come on now. We're gonna go clean.